Hello friends, welcome back to Data Analytics Talks. I want to make you excellent BI developers. Few small tips can really help you stand out. The one feature that can make you an excellent BI developer is applying custom themes to your Power BI report. What is a custom theme? When publishing internal and external reports for your business, it is important to be consistent with your branding standards by using the same color schemes and logo. So nobody likes when you build a report with inconsistent colors and logos just like this. You can see multiple graphs on this page, but the background colors are different. And here also you have two tables. One table is formatted in one way and other table is formatted in another way. Nobody likes this. But look at this, where all these graphs are properly laid out, the colors are consistent, they match, and the logo and naming and font, everything is properly aligned. Everyone like such a beautiful design. Themes are very important in Power BI dashboard. There comes out of the box themes which you can apply to your existing dashboards and reports. And what is important of that is when you apply a theme, it will get applied to all the pages in that report by giving a consistent look and feel. To get to the out of the box themes, we should go to the view menu, then we can navigate to the available themes. So the current theme we can see at first, then you can see different categories. I would like to apply a dark theme now. So let me select this particular theme and apply. See, my white dashboard has become black one and gives me a different feel altogether. And when I apply a theme, this is equally applied to all the pages, the canvas, the pages, and the first page also it got applied. So when you apply a theme, it gets applied to all the pages in that PBIX file. So there is one challenge. When you have already overridden the default color theme in your report, your custom theme may not get applied. So you have to revert back to the original condition before you apply any custom themes. Hey Biju, I don't like this color. What should I do? Don't worry, just go back. You have more themes here. Probably one of them you will like. Do you like it? Not that much. Let me try another dark theme. You like it? No, 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 I don't like. Is there a way that I can get my original theme? Yeah, you can do that. Luckily, I have saved it. So let me open the saved theme. So I have the theme original. Let me select. Look, my original pages have come back. So what is next? Okay, I'm sure your next question, how did you save this theme? Yeah, there is a way. Let's again browse the themes. There is something called save current theme. You can choose a file name, theme, current, and save it. I'm sure that you would like to see what is in that file, right? We can see what is in that file. That file was saved as a JSON file. It has name and data colors, table accent, background, transparency, visual header, foreground, various properties of our dashboard has been saved into a JSON file format, which is enabling you to reload it again and again. So once you save a theme, you can use it anytime. You can create a template out of your saved theme. It can improve your efficiency. Once you save a file, you can reuse it in any of your projects. So we have learned how to save and what is within that file. The next topic is how can I create a custom theme for us? You can write the color theme JSON file in a standard code writing program like Visual Studio if you have it, or you can write in Microsoft Notepad. The custom color theme allows for the customization of 4 items: the 8 standard colors used in the report visualization, the report background, the report foreground, and the standard color used for table visualizations. So remember, you can customize 4 items: the colors, the 8 standard colors used in the report visualization, the report background, the report foreground, and the standard colors used for table visualization. And the sample theme JSON file will look like this. It will have a name, and we are giving the standard 8 colors, data colors, then background, then foreground, then table accent. So once you have JSON code written, save the file as a .json. If you are using Notepad, click save, and then on the file name, change the extension from txt to JSON. So this is a very simple activity. This is a sample JSON file I was explaining. You will have a theme name as example theme, then data colors. We are giving the our favorite colors for the data colors, then background, foreground, table accent. We have saved this. So if I want to apply this theme, what should I do? Again, I need to go back to my Power BI. Let's go to my Power BI. I am going to select my custom theme created. I can browse. This is the theme.json which I have created. Let me choose that. It is fully applied, and my favorite color has been applied to the dashboard. Okay, you may notice that the background color of this particular visual has not been changed, because if you have already overwritten the out of the box color scheme, our custom theme will not have effect. So you need to revert it back to the default color. Then we need to reapply our custom theme. So make sure that the first thing you do as you are creating a new dashboard or report, apply your theme, then continue working. Hope this was a useful session. Please let me know your comments.